Memo akwaba de ba GCN page so meeting de adwoa searching. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Found some ya bell no so ube notification video bia obenye bi ahwe. Ora Koku Anyidoho oye former deputy general secretary de ma NDC Amayoko no. Wa react to a year NDC phone penfo omo etna se a omo ama suspension. Na ne sema okay na ne say nothing shall limit the greatness of his destiny. Enti ensem way na Ora Koku Anyidoho de atuja. Na adofo sensem no unti mu ye anase unti ya de etene say NDC fo empenfo ekọ atenase eye meeting etro krata na enipa ne nsa ehye krata na se eye Ora Esiedu Nketia a oye general secretary de ma NDC Amayoko na ne nsa ehye krata na se na ensem omo kenya ne se Ora Koku Anyidoho a oye former deputy general secretary de ma NDC Amayoko no onko suspension kakra ontena se kakra because eniyama bi anansen Ora Koku Anyidoho enye wo Ghana ha no enye enko emfa emboa NDC Amayoko no ensem bi Ora Koku Anyidoho ekeka no enye na adofo I think last year mu Ora Koku Anyidoho ekoye interview ewo OK FM despite media now the ensem bi etudwa a o chese NDC party ni mu no emofre bi abemu a almost no babies with a sharp teeth omo abem and ogo ho de wode be yo no ompe nti ono do no wa atwe no ho eti ne baabi do o NDC ni but onkoka na obi emfa na sem emba no so na no so o grantee interview ewo NIT FM me manso me mind jumedie so na no na Ora Koku echese ono kra no eye oman penida da His Excellency John Dramani Mahama on said that no enye freeze papa sa and na face Ora Esiedu Nketia so one no enye ayese party no wentwi bi ewo na de ntia one Ora Esiedu Nketia omo enhye da enye fine na ne say omo contest for an election na eye Ora Esiedu Nketia no wini wie no crampo na still on sheda ene no enye fine na eno na Ora Koku echese obetro book na book no betro ndi ensem na beba book ni mu yensem petwa edin obabubo afie NDC party mu no ena kase e wo Ghana hanom ye bete na impo NDC for omo court case ensensemi Ora Koku Anyidoho ebe tweeti e woni Twitter a o chese na mo NDC for mo court mu ni fact e na mo court se ensem bi Ora Koku Anyidoho e keka nansen na eno na NDC for tina ase na mo hwe se dabi so mo ama no suspension a de beba no enye enti sisie no pam no twa no ko suspension kakra sisi untumi from so we NDC ni pe bitina na embrepem no ye besan so afro na no na Ora Koku Anyidoho o kire say nothing shall limit the greatness of my destiny because the battle is the Lord's enti no in same way na Ora Koku Anyidoho wa kan o kire say okono eda so eye nyame ne ekon na ne destiny de kire say obi na obetumi limit ne destiny o bia ni ho destiny yakopon de man no ehye ni nsem wo ye ho ankra untumeje party ni mu na mo suspend na ono no otene ba bi odwe no nti ensem we na Ora Koku Anyidoho de atuja esan se me ni nya adwinti no sebe memfa mensa enkoso ne mene what obia ede ne ho
in zia lamentations we know bebazameti asu e dem pa na NDC fo aya because Peter Kasa was say well, on an agreement on the Koku no Ekotia NDC constitution. Into this suspension, which part of the suspension and your right?
That's the point.
You see, because a pending further investigation.
What is that very intriguing question? Na asem we bisa ni nyina ne fa pem ne se ubisa sa asem no na bisa ho se sebe Koku Anyidoho we didn't simply so Eddie Yera John Dramani Mahama Achamana. That is one.
And I say where is about Mahama? Where is about NDC? Peter Mr. My partner can answer.
This sound say Yera Koku Anyidoho Koku
Debbie and you Koku
Ku
aha
that's it. Yera Koku Anyidoho this sound say NDC as a political party. Where did you make beer potea? Ubeka say sebe the progress of the party no papa to na say aden a wakoka na adwen. You see na o kasa no ubisa Peter say de mu ye Koku yi amanfo kasa mu ye intolerant. Ye kasa obi ye intolerance a se nipa ne de obeka no tembia opese eye final. Ye nchetere oman sa tembia no even ufie mpo a sebe wawo omba a wone oyerete no ube say ubetimi awo akola ba ku ofie wa that child always speaks his or her mind. Sa akola no you be surprised say ono na sebe wan sha because of that boldness, that ability to speak truth to power. Sa akola no ono ba be akola the whole family would have to run to in terms of him, because nipa wey yenim say odi enima no krade obehwe enim sebe wo pu na oto aduane ma na obehwe enim aka say sebe de wo ye na enya enye na Peter eye me ja say enka me no wo mpo de enka samre na wo say enka we have to have a sober reflection na yetimi assess say eh na empo no impenifo ma bedi party yenim impenifo a more or less they be the face of this party. Abrahu here yes say ye ne MPP eko etam no ene sani pay so kana adwen ahwede ye de ye no na me Peter mensa a sebe afia me pejam ho kakra yi se manokopa e wo radio so a what will be my Ediana
mo national chairman former national chairman Paul Afoko ye yin dia mo pamono and I'm suspended they reporting Paul Afoko. What did he do?
Oka Paul Afoko asema
me bizarre what did he do? Why then
ehube hia say sebe efi a aba na yedi Koku asema ye ken me nia say hawa me ha me it men twema adwen ko Paul Afoko hu because Paul Afoko asem ne de Yampanto teni ye address issue we. Later we buy unim say in 24 hours.
Yeah.
Do you know that Koku Anyidoho unim say our family. Unim say the family members because of his staunch and religious support for NDC. Into this will affect the family. Sometimes very sabe yankum dafo endija. If you be a mensa na enye me hwanwa adenti na enye me hwanwa because even almost former regional chairman Uncle Alote Shejuma mi ankasa mi nua Sami Jemfi e de ye no ma me ka se mi cho tama na Sami Jemfi tech KNUST PR no na me so me Tescon secretary that was 2011.
Okay
iti mi ne pa sabi ya hwabom pa Shejuma dia mi nua Sami Jemfi e de ye chairman Alote papa ka se onkasa o radio so bio mu da efutuo ewo we ensakra nipa aje se nsohwe ye papa ka no eno ni nya na be mu na de mu de ye Koku Peter esuko ne mate se wote se me abetina ha na sebe I retract. If you are offended I retract, but just to say we are all up and coming politicians. To put it in rightful context, we are all up and coming politicians. Uni mama for a station where because of Koku Anyidoho sabe they hold NDC to high esteem. Oh yes sir, that chibino e dey dey ayo nua o, but chinebi ebiane dey ayo. Me dey manu esi.
Okay.
Debbie
Peter, my uncle
na me patrol. I say yasam na bana say dey yenua no e kansam no one tibia mfruwa enye Mr. Wanika one enya wa me happen na mete frame so
just 1 minute
we dey obetimi atiki for me next submission time 1 minute Mr. You see menua mafo eya ensem bi wo ha we should be cautious and we should learn. You see, you will be talking no biaka say you are a double standard person and then you are being hypocritical. You are not being realistic to the issues we are speaking to. One at the end, and there was grounds are more there than a suspending will be. As a young man, my catcher said, we are all learning. A son say, a party money a dome. enti the party na no be kono de bia make sure say e wo mu say wo wan koten kro wadwene but party ni nya susu ye pe you have to join the group think and I mean I'm as a student of policy one of the subjects I'm sharing me there organizational theory. In organizational theory we have what we call the group think. You have individual views or individual opinion, but as far as you belong to a group, when a group take a decision, you are whipped in line. Until I will be no dear. Say yes, but the group decide you don't go contrary to what the group think. Now uncle media, uncle public, when you speak contrary to what the group think, the point is say you are don't interrupt. People are listening. One of us said discerning minds are listening. What's who making the point is say you fanya this idea say you can say you making sure say most times we don't go contrary to what the party says. Even impo say your contrary viewer, your party constitution. You should have a way to present your contrary view. Now you're situated within the law, near find the ends of it. You don't go beyond still what the party takes.
Right.
And it happens in your boots are right question. Now what do you say? Or what do you about that? Apola Foko, you know, near Buzia. You were your first quadrant upon near Buzia. Now, I don't know what we say. You see, irrespective of no, we have to let. But the last point is that he didn't do anything to he didn't do anything to chairman. Your friend is saying, I'll take Jacob. Let me put it down on record. You are Sami Jamfi, and I can tell you, say, one of the guys are not all defending. You are allocated Jacob wrong. But you don't know. So I just say. So you can engage in this propagandist approach. But people are listening. Say you are a young politician coming. Okay. This is not decorous. This is not decorous. You just have to conduct yourself. People are listening.
Okay.
No, people are listening.
Okay.
We have gone past this strategy. So stop it.
Gentlemen, your microphones are off at this point. Now, Mama Young call the next subject Supreme Court. Now, yes, see what Supreme Court in the CCL idea. Ebi mo say. Ebi mo say asam na at the end of the baby me watching the proceedings there.